Strange sounds in the middle of the lake, and as long as it takes my boat and me, we went away of the dirty atmosphere they've prepared for us, babe. We look around all smooth and clear. After so many years, we managed to do so. So I enjoy more. Moon is shining all over the place. Is my guide everywhere. They live like vampires, sucking our blood inside.
Sailing to the road of nowhere, sharpening my sweet blade, all burning around like hell. Me and my boat in the lake.